Hello students, as I committed for the EPS analysis from the chapter Financial Management which was missed out, in this particular video we will be discussing the EPS analysis, how it is a magical analysis to choose the magical capital structure scheme to maximize the wealth of owners. Now under the EPS analysis we can take the example. There are two companies X and Y. Both are raising rupees 10 lakh as the capital, both the same amount of capital, but company X will be using through the or will be raising the total capital of rupees 10 lakh through the equity shares only. But the company Y using the mix of the capital, rupees 4 lakh from the equity share capital and 6 lakh from the debentures carrying 10% per annum as the rate of interest. The earning before interest and taxes for the both companies is assumed rupees 2 lakh each per annum and income tax rate is 30% per annum. If you look at the analysis under the two options, company X and company Y, EBIT, just 3 columns table you will be forming, designing, and writing on the top of it the EBIT-EPS analysis. Now if you see the EBIT, that is earning before interest and taxes, which is assumed 2 lakh per annum for both the companies, rupees 2 lakh, 2 lakhs. Next, the company has to pay the interest on loan or debentures or debt. The interest on loan or debt for company X will not be there, as the company X is using the total capital of 10 lakh as the equity share capital. Therefore, no interest on loan or debentures for the company X, but Y company has to pay rupees 60,000 as the interest on debenture, 10% of rupees 6 lakh debenture which is raised by the company Y in the total capital of 10 lakh. Now earning before tax for company X will be 2 lakh since no deduction of the interest for the company Y. But for the company Y, net earning before tax will be 1,40,000. 2 lakh message 60,000 if we deduct, we will be getting the earning before tax rupees 1,40,000. Next, we will be having the income tax payable on the earning before tax. So 30% is the rate of income tax for the company Y. 30% of 2 lakh it will be rupees 60,000. And for the company Y, company X के लिए 60,000 होगा इनकम टैक्स एंड कंपनी वाई के लिए 30% of rupees 1,40,000, that is rupees 42,000. Now the net earning after tax for company X will be 2 lakh minus 60,000, that is 1,40,000, and for company Y 1,40,000 minus 42,000, that is rupees 98,000. Now next we just see the what are the number of equity shares for company X and Y. Since company X has raised 10 lakh out of equity share capital only, and the equity shares having the face value of rupees 10 each. So if we divide 10 lakh for company IX by rupees 10, we will be getting 1 lakh equity shares for company X. And for company Y, being the rupees 4 lakh as the equity share capital dividing by rupees 10 as the face value, we will be getting number of equity shares for company Y will be 40,000. Now you see the magic now. Earning per share, that is the EPS for the both the companies, if we compute through the formula earning after tax divided by number of equity shares for the company X will be coming up, that is 1,40,000 divided by 1 lakh for company X, rupees 1.40 per share, and for company Y 98,000 divided by 40,000 equity shares, the EPS will be coming out rupees 2.45 per share. Now this is the magic we are getting out of a different capital structure plan of the two companies. Okay, company X, both are using the same capital of rupees 10 lakh, both are having the same EBIT under the same conditions, both having the same rate of income tax. Company X is getting the EPS of rupees 1.40 per share and company wide rupees 2.45 per share, nearly double. तो ये ऐसा मैजिक हो रहा है ईपीएस एनालिसिस के थ्रू, और इट इज एडवाइजेबल फॉर द कंपनी वाइड टू टेक द ऑप्शन एज द बेटर ऑप्शन. तो हम लोग ईपीएस एनालिसिस के थ्रू देखते हैं कि एज वी इंक्रीज द proportion of the debt capital in the total capital of the business, taking into the risk factor for the interest payment on loans and debentures, we can maximize the EPS and maximize the wealth of the owners and shareholders. That is the shareholders funds जो accountancy में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. तो यही मैजिक है इस EPS एनालिसिस का. और CBSE भी कभी कभी क्वेश्चन दे देते हैं कि जस्ट एक्सप्लेन द EPS एनालिसिस थ्रू द एग्जाम्पल इन न्यूमेरिकल टर्म. तो ये आप इसको प्रैक्टिस आप करेंगे. आपके फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट चैप्टर बुक में दिया हुआ एग्जाम्पल, यू गो थ्रू एंड यू कैन डेवलप योर ओन EPS एनालिसिस एंड यू कैन गेट मार्क्स ऑन इट. तो EPS एनालिसिस के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू and take care. And in the next video I will be discussing the case study in the sample paper issued by the CBSE for the term 2 examination of the board 2022.